on increased risk of harm, our argument essentially boiled down to a couple of things. One, the testimony that we got in through the radiologist was sufficient, for sort of the reasons we were just discussing before. He did give us testimony that says as size increases, so does the risk of rupture. And that was testimony that was read, was heard by the jury. It wasn't objected to any of that. And then also, we sort of were making a novel argument, and I think this is really where the judge kind of hung his hat when he eventually ruled. We sort of said that this was a situation where it was so obvious that the failure to diagnose the aneurysm led to the rupture, that this isn't something that you need an expert to get up there and, testify and explain this stuff to the jury. It's patently obvious what happened here by failing to diagnose the aneurysm.
If you don't detect it, you don't know it's there, you can't watch it, you can't monitor, you can't do surveillance of it. And if the whole purpose of that is to intervene, and here she never had it and she did go on to rupture, how can you say that the failure to detect it didn't at least increase the risk? You know, but we got into the whole debate.